This is the Hyland's Kids Naturals Cold and Cough Daytime Medicine, and this is one that we always keep on hand for our toddler. We recently went on a vacation, and it was our toddler's first time in an airplane. So, of course, once we got back, they had some congestion, runny nose, stuff like that. So, this is one that we use, and it definitely seems to be doing the trick. As you can see here, it should help with congestion, runny nose, sore throat, cough, post-nasal drip. So really got all of your bases covered for the most part here. And just, being around kids at the playground, social settings, stuff like that, it's always good to have something like this on hand just to help out your kids when they need it.